What are we making today?
Carrots.
Welcome to the carrot episode at La Fortezza Kitchen. We are making roasted carrots with Bottarga. And what is Bottarga, you may ask? Dried fish roe. It has a very sort of fishy smell, but not fishy in the way where you go, ooh, that's fishy. We use it with pasta, and it's one of my favorite things. So it has a salty flavor. So you really don't have to use salt. It's kind of like in Vietnamese cuisine, maybe like a fish sauce, although it's not that pungent. It's more subtle than that. So if you like fish eggs or roe or caviar, you would like this. The recipe calls for 12 carrots. So we're just literally just gonna roast these with some olive oil. It's like 3 tablespoons. I think I say 6 tablespoons. You're gonna reserve some of it to finish it off. Literally roasting carrots. 350, like 45 minutes. These look like hot dogs to me, but they're roasted carrots.
How soft are they coming out of the oven?
Always fork, everything's fork tender when it comes out. So stop asking me that question. Okay, so a little bit of olive oil because for Leo. Because Leo can't live without it. And then you do a little bit of lemon. Of course, the seed went right there. It drives me insane. And then you just sort of sprinkle the Bottarga. You know, you can use a spoon. I mean, I'll be honest. I mean, I just think it's better to just kind of do this. I mean, it's not like we're community cooking here. You know, I think finding like dried fish roe is not that hard to do. I mean, there'll be something, because it is just a dried fish roe. It's just sort of got a umami.
Umami,
Our
super
new
umami.
Super umami flavor. And that's it. Voila. Those are your roasted carrots, people. The thing about Italy when you come here is they do a lot of vegetables ahead and then they leave them out on the counter and then, you know, put them out for Sunday lunch or whatever. They're great at room temperature, but they're certainly fine warm right out of the oven. The more it sits, the more the flavors, you know, infuse the carrots. It's great with fish, which normally carrots you wouldn't serve with fish. It wouldn't be your first choice, but because it has a lemon and a fishy sort of flavor to it, in a way, it would be fine with serving with a big grilled trout or, oh, we have to taste it.
No, I don't like Bottarga. I hate, honestly.
So that's a real endorsement for this dish. Leo hates it.
They looks good.
It's so good.
So yeah.
I don't even want to share it with you, so I'm really
No,
I'm super happy that you're not. This is great. Oh God. Oh God. The best reaction ever. Look at his face.
Bottarga.
So try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. Don't listen to him because he doesn't know what he's talking about when it comes to Bottarga, and because I love it. And don't forget to like and
Subscribe.
we really appreciate you guys, and thank you for watching this. I hope you watched till the end because it was worth it. And we'll see you next time. These carrots are so good. They're super sweet. Well, try them if you dare.